It is time to celebrate some birthdays on this wonderful Friday morning, and we are beginning in Miami with Sophia Essex, turning 3 years old, and she is spending the day the right way with the heat we've had over the last few weeks.
For sure. All right, and we have Kenny Gaza turning 4 years old this year. Look at him cheese in there. Kenny is in Joplin. Birthday love coming from mom and dad.
We've also got Easton Long, where the party is, in the bus, turning 13 years old today. Happy birthday, Easton.
Award-winning pie maker there. Pie baker? Yeah, I like it. Elizabeth Thompson, sweet 16 for Miss Elizabeth. That's a great picture of there in with her horse in Chanute.
We've also got Alex Kress turning 23 years old today. Alex, get out there and make sure you make it a great one.
All right, in Parsons, Zane Slater celebrating birthday number 41 this year.
We've also got James Buchanan turning 41 as well over in Jasper. Maybe James and Zane can get together and just have themselves a big old party.
Yeah.
Big birthday celebration.
All right, we got a little belated birthday wish going out to Mario Lopez, who is now 56 years old, out in Chanute. His birthday was actually yesterday, but you know what? You've got so many people wishing you a happy birthday, you got to celebrate again today. Birthday love coming from Dad, Mom, Philip, Aaron, your wife Deidre, Eric, Mary, and your kids.
Mario Lopez is an actor.
Did I say Lopez?
You did.
So sorry.
Mario Perez, however.
Wow.
I mean,
well, he looks like him.
he could
No,
be.
I'm just kidding.
He absolutely could be.
Mario Perez.
Mario Perez.
Okay, they're going to have a funny
They're going to have
laugh
a
about
really
that.
big celebration now. We've got Suzie Natalini in Columbus. She's turning 60, and here's the thing. Suzie is why there's a party in the bus, because she submits the majority of the birthdays for the Columbus area. That's why. Suzie needs to be celebrated by all of Columbus because she's responsible for making sure all of you are celebrated. So happy birthday,
She is
Suzie.
indeed the birthday queen.
She is, absolutely.
All right, Scott Honeshell turning 62 years old this year. Mr. Honeshell is in Carthage.
We've got Naomi McGowan turning 63 in Joplin. Naomi, this comes with love from your husband. Happy birthday, Naomi.
All right, and we've got Roxanne Walker celebrating birthday number 65. I think that hat might be a little big for you, Roxanne.
Nah, it's the perfect
Love it.
size hat. When the sun comes out, that's the perfect size hat.
That's true, that's true. Roxanne is in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Joyce Haynes over in Chanute turning 71 years old today. And Joyce, this happy birthday is coming from Josie, Chris, Serena, and Danielle.
Yes, and she
I like that.
She is not older than dirt. She is not 99 years old. She's 71, which is a beautiful year.
Absolutely.
I love that, though. Having some fun. And we've got the Blues celebrating their 44th anniversary. What a wonderful family picture there. Paul and Cheryl in Fort Scott.
And then we've got one of the guys who's in charge of making sure that we have money to pay the bills and stay on the air. This is Jim Marquardt, one of our many marketing consultants. But Jim, again, is one of the guys, if it wasn't for folks like Jim, we wouldn't be able to pay the bills, and we'd be sitting here in the dark, or we may not even be sitting here at all. So Jim, a very happy birthday to you.
Yes, and please see Jim for all your advertising needs. There you go. And Barbara Beard celebrating birthday number 68 this year in Columbus. Party continues in the bus. Mary Jane Parmalee, happy birthday to you.
And I'll bet those birthdays were submitted by Suzie. That's how we know about
Quite
these.
possibly.
Michael Haggerty in Frontenac celebrating a birthday today, as well as Lynn McLaughlin in Miami.
All right, and Russell and Michelle DeBuse celebrating birthday number 30, or anniversary number 39 this year. The DeBuse are in Frontenac, and we've got an anniversary in Baxter Springs as well.
Jess and Virginia Strecker celebrating their 45th wedding anniversary. A very happy anniversary to the two of you.
All right, now you can submit your birthdays or anniversaries easily to us. Just send them by email to birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
You can also sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club while you're there. That is an excellent thing to do. And you know why? It's because you get really fantastic deals from local businesses. So make sure when you submit the birthdays and anniversaries, you take time for the Birthday Club and get signed up for it as well. Well, we've got a lot happening on CBS Mornings. We're going to take a look at what's coming up.